Hey guys, it's Sam here with WTI. I want to tell you about these awesome FridaBaby Fever Frida Cool Pads. That is a tongue twister. But these are awesome. I did not know these existed. So if your little one has a fever, you can put this little patch right on their forehead. It's really cool. You take off this piece here. It sticks right to their forehead. It is so cooling. Like, it's very cooling on me right now. I love it. I might leave this on myself. It's cool because the product also tells you that you can cut it and fit it to the size of your child. It is great. I think this is awesome. My little one can't tell me what feels good and bad, but this at least gives me the peace of mind that he's getting a little cooler, and I like it. I think it's great. Does this look good? So really, really cool thing that they have for kiddos and everyone. I think it's great, and I definitely think that you should try it out. That's my point of view.